How can a river transform from an urban scar into a source of pride for all? The Meishe River Ecological Restoration Project in Haikou, Hainan, China, provides the answer, reversing its gray past with green ecology. This project transforms the site through nature-based solutions, integrating constructed wetlands that purify 3,500 tons of domestic sewage daily while restoring diverse habitats, including wetland chains, terraced fields, and dense forests. The park not only improves water quality and restores ecosystems, but also provides vibrant public spaces, merging flood management, biodiversity conservation, and urban recreation. This successful revitalization of the Meishe River has brought back clean water and wildlife, contributing to Haikou's designation as an international wetland city and serving as a global model for ecological restoration. This is more than the rebirth of a single river. It is a Chinese practice of sustainable development. The project precisely aligns with the UN SDGs. SDG 6 is central. Through a constructed wetland purification system capable of treating 6,000 tons of polluted runoff and 3,500 tons of sewage daily, the project achieves water quality safe for contact and recreation. This meets Target 6.3 by improving water quality, reducing pollution, and promoting safe reuse. It also strengthens resilience to water-related disasters by restoring wetlands and riparian systems. SDG 11 is reflected in accessible public spaces. Pedestrian paths, plazas, and facilities serve all residents, meeting Target 11.7. The project reduces flooding without concrete barriers, boosting urban resilience. SDG 13 is advanced by the project through ecosystem-based solutions like mangrove restoration and wetland creation to sequester carbon and enhance climate resilience. The operational cost of this ecological solution is only 1/5 of that of conventional engineering projects. Once a stinking ditch, it is now a scenic waterfront. The transformation of Meishe River reflects the wisdom of urban governance and a commitment to lucid waters and lush mountains. It tells us that respecting nature is the key to achieving harmony between humans and the natural world.